Hi guys, it's Scruffy here. I'm just gonna try and do as I was saying, I'm gonna try and do a daily vlog. Whoever's watching this video, stop it. I said stop it, okay? Now you listen to me. Stop making that noise. Stop it. Good. Now? I said stop it. Stop. Okay? Yeah, better stop. Or I'm gonna get the big guns out. Gonna look at stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and do a little daily vlog. No one's in the house, but I'm gonna try and do a daily vlog, right? Please stop. It's getting very... It's getting very annoying, okay? It's getting very annoying. Stop. Stop it, okay? Better stop. Yeah, you hear me. Stop. 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 Oh, and whenever I'm looking like this, I'm just looking at my looking at myself, so it looks like I'm looking at you. That's why I'm doing that. So yeah, stop. I said stop. That's it. You're grounded. You don't even get to see me do a daily vlog because you kept making that annoying sound. You're grounded, mister. As I was saying. Okay, last time. As I was saying, stop it, or else I'm gonna cut this video. Hear me? Last. I just said stop, okay? Enough. No. 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 Alright. I'm not gonna do a daily vlog because something in my room keeps making that annoying noise. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Because as you could see, I think it's nighttime, so night. Let me turn this thing off.